Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to export all your Snapchat data, including your photos, videos, and snaps. If you want to back up your memories or save your Snapchat information, you can easily download all your data in just a few steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, tap on the inbox icon, then go to your profile. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on My Data. Here, select the data you want to include in your export. Once you've selected everything, tap on Next. Then tap on Submit. Now, as you can see, your export is in progress and Snapchat will prepare your data for download. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export all your Snapchat data, including your photos, videos, and snaps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.